What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got something interesting for you. I was out here installing two trains, and if you have watched the channel for a little bit, you know the deal with the Alliance compressors, right? How they have issues where you need to install this relay right here, right? Because if not, it will start spinning backwards and ruin itself, and then you'll be changing the compressor, and that's no fun. So I opened this thing up, and I'm like, wait a minute, it's already got, a time delay in here. I'm like, okay, so they made some change at the manufacturer now, and that sparked my interest. And I come over here and I look at this compressor, and you can tell it's a not Alliance compressor. It's a different compressor now. They've made the change. They realized that those compressors were not as solid as other brands. And if you can see here, I don't feel like taking the top completely off, but take my word for it, on this particular model, it no longer says Alliance compressor on it. What it says is train on the actual sticker itself. I've got to get a better camera, but just take my word for it on this one. It's no longer the Alliance compressor, seems like. It's a compressor that Train has put their name on it. So it's either the old Climate Tough, or they've started to manufacture their own again, which, in my opinion, is the right thing to do. And if we come over here, I'm installing another one right next to it, and it does not have the time delay, so I am going to have to put a time delay on this one. But if you look down in here, what do we see? It's the old Alliance compressor, and I'm pretty sure I could see the logo on it earlier. Let me see here. Let me see. You see that? This one's a lot more clear. See, you see that? It says Alliance compressor. Train does not put their sticker on this compressor. So pretty interesting. Look to see if you notice the minor differences on it. Okay. See that? That's what that one looks like. And that's what this one looks like. Minor differences, but there are some differences. Interesting. And I'm actually doing a third unit on the other side of the home. Let's go see what that one looks like. Yep, this one's got the old Alliance compressor on it. See how it doesn't have the time delay on there built in? Well, anyways, y'all, that's pretty much it. Here are the model numbers if you guys are interested. The second model is still using the Alliance compressor. One's a 3, one's a 5. But anyways, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think the change was all about. Why do you guys think they changed the compressors around? I'd like to know. Comment and share, and we'll see you on the next one.